Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a image over your PDF file. And this is a free method and you can do it over any browser. Just simply open any browser over any platform and hit tiny wow in the search bar. Once you do that, a website will appear right in front of you. Just simply open the first website. Once it gets loaded, just simply go to this option which says PDF tools. Once you click on the option, another list will appear which says edit PDF. Just simply go to this option which says edit PDF, tap over it, and now wait for it to get slowed. And now it will ask you to upload the PDF. Just simply upload the PDF that you want to add image. For example, if I uploaded this dummy PDF, now here in this top option, you can see this option which says image. Tap over here and it will ask you to upload the image that you want to add. For example, if I upload this image, and once it get loads, now you can see the image has been added to my PDF file. I can place it anywhere I want. I can change the size of it and make multiple changes. Once I'm satisfied with it, just simply hit OK, and now your PDF have been edited. Now you can download the PDF from here. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.